Lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
The start of match number 12. Teams taking their shots of fuel. They may have preloaded. They might be picking up more. We've got a nice volley coming from the iBots on the Blue Alliance. 2370 inverse polarity still sitting, although we got human players getting their shots in at the last second. Check out that score in autonomous. Looks like the Red Alliance is going to take it. They will have a slight advantage as they're not going to have to be the first ship, so the Blue Alliance is going to head for the middle of the field, try to gather up as much fuel as they can. That's inverse polarity at 23.7 and 1100 in the middle of the field. They're joined by 7694, the Iron Lions. All picking up that fuel and then to bring it back and then get ready to take their shots. So while they're being active, they have another 15 seconds, but no shots are actually being taken at this time by the Blue Alliance. So they want to make some hay while the sun shines if they can, but we've got shots from 178, the second law enforcers, now that the Blue Hub is active, and they are going in. Listen to that bang, bang, bang. Really getting a lead, 35-19. Now we have shots from 1100 going into their hub, but it is not worth any points as their hub is not currently active. Remember, these hubs are active opposite each other. And we've got shots because the Red Alliance is still active. They have just about 3 seconds left. They could get in a few more shots if they have the time, but here comes Blue's chance. Blue should now be picking up some fuel. They'll be shuttling fuel back to their side, but they should be starting to think about shooting because you can see it is currently lit. It has about 15 seconds left, and there we go. Now these points count. That's 76-94, the Iron Lions for the Blue Alliance, getting lots of scores. Look, they're climbing up. They are almost even with about 6 seconds left. Are they going to try to catch up? We'll have to see because that time is flashing the hub, and now it is time for the Red Alliance. Time for them to take off and do it. 2378, 8709. That is iBots and Pathfinder Tech having a standoff in the middle of the field. Here comes 178, second law enforcers, adding to the total of the score. 58-41 with 39 seconds left in this match. Spinning around, too many Bobcats looking for some fuel, trying to get ready to take their shot. That red is still active for another 1 seconds. Now it's anybody's game. Both hubs are active. Let's get some scoring going on here. Here come the second law enforcers. 178 on the Red Alliance, getting ready, taking aim, going to take their shot. Can they get it? Is their intake clear? It goes, but it sputters out of it. Here's 8709. 7694 has left part of their bumper on the fields. That's the Iron Lions for the Blue Alliance. Blue doesn't appear to be doing much scoring right now. It's tough, and we've got some flags being waved by the ref. 178 with just 1 second left. Did the Bobcats climb that? Marcus, that score that was won by the Red Alliance. Won by the Red Alliance. Final score of that was 92-41, and you saw the action happen on the field. And look at the breakdown there, both in autonomous and in the teleoperated period. They really had something going. No tower points for the Bob Kittens there, but you might notice on the left side there was a yellow card issued to the team 1100 inverse polarity.